This 2026 East to West Entrada 210NS is a Class C RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Seguin. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a Granite Peak interior, sleeps 6, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2026 East to West Entrada 210NS is built on a Chevy 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.